Hi there, my name's Kay from TechFigure. Today I'm going to show you how to use your mobile phone as a remote control for your Hisense TV in place of the proper remote control. So if you've broken the original remote control or if you've lost the remote control, you can use it as a backup. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android phone, but this app is also available on Apple devices. Okay, so the app we need is called Remote Now, and it's available on the Android store for free. So we can do a quick search and download it within minutes. Changing channels is simple and smooth with a click of a button. Swiping across allows you to view more of the channels on the screen, and you can add more to your favorites by simply clicking on the heart. Clicking on the program button also allows you to view the full channel listing, which is a great little feature. Like I said, Netflix is also available at the touch of a button, but I don't have a subscription, so I can't show you really much of that. The Amazon app is as equally accessible, with a tap of a button giving us full media access. YouTube is also as easily accessible. Using the on-screen touchpad, you can navigate through the videos and tap to select the video you want to watch. Access to the Freeview Play app is also available, opening up the world of pre-recorded television. Another thing to note is that all your TV apps will be available on the phone. For example, I've got my Shoutcast music streaming TV app here. And again, I just use the touchpad to scroll around the screen. As you can expect, this app is great for web browsing, the whole screen turning into a big touchpad, allowing you to browse the internet on a huge massive 55-inch monitor, which comes in handy for checking out the latest football news. It's also handy and useful for searching for and navigating apps, as you can use the keyboard to input text. This saves you fiddling about on your remote control, giving you more time to watch content. So yeah, the phone basically functions like your remote control, with the added functionality of being able to share your photos and videos off your phone. Another bonus is you can access the PVR via this app, if you have a hard drive attached, which in my case I don't. Now there's one thing that this app does that no other app does as far as I'm aware, and that is to power on your TV from an off state, which is pretty remarkable. So overall, I think this is a win-win situation with the Hisense TV app. You have all the features of the physical remote and more. Okay guys, that's all from me today. If you like the content, please like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up.